In today's video, we are going to be trying to sublimate on this Dollar Tree glass cutting board using a laminate sheet. I've seen this done a bunch with white vinyl, and I wanted to try it with laminate sheet to kind of just see if it's going to work or not. So if you want to see me experiment and try that out, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut and sublimation videos. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump right in, guys. Okay, so we have our glass cutting board. I'm going to take my True Control knife and I'm just going to open up the plastic. So we're going to take off these legs. I'm going to take my weeding tool and I'm just going to pop off these legs. You just want to get under it on one side. And there. And save these because we're going to put these back on. So I'm just going to put those on the side for now. So you want to make sure your board is nice and clean. I'm putting that to the side for 1 second. So this is our laminate. You can get it on Amazon. I have it linked down below. So it comes kind of like this. It's kind of like a pouch. So we're going to pull it apart because we only need one side. So the shiny side is going to go up and the more dull side is going to go on your glass. So this side you actually want to make sure that there's no lint on it, because if not, you're going to see that through your cutting board. So I'm going to put it like that. Then we're going to take our cutting board, we're going to place it down, and we're going to put this on our heat press to kind of adhere it to it. Okay, so we're going to take our cutting board, have the laminate facing up, make sure you're covering your whole cutting board. Take a Teflon sheet and we're going to press for like 10 seconds. Okay, so now you want to let your cutting board kind of cool down before you put your design on it. When you print your design, make sure you don't mirror it, because in most cases you mirror it because you're gonna flip it over and it's gonna be showing the opposite side, right? But on this one, it's just gonna be transparent through, so don't mirror your image. So we're gonna put our image on here. I'll make sure both sides have some design on it. And we use butcher paper because sublimation ink turns into gas. If not, that's going to go up to your heat press and it will show up in other substrates that you press. So I'm going to do 385 for 60 seconds. So I'm going to take my glove. I'm going to lift up my butcher paper. I'm going to put my hand down and just lift up one side to see how it looks. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, so now we're going to move this. We're going to move this over to the desk and we're going to cut out the laminate. So now our cutting board is more cooled down. So we're going to take our True Control knife and we're going to cut around it. I'm not trying to be too perfect because I'm gonna turn it the other way and then I'm gonna cut it even more. I'm gonna really get in there, but right now I just want it to be free from the butcher paper and the rest of the laminate. So now we're gonna flip it around and I'm gonna start cutting whatever I forgot or whatever is left over. Make sure you cut as close as you can. So it's pretty cool how it turned out. This is how it looks. I didn't bring the picture lower enough. I was paying too much attention to the sides that I forgot to check that, but it doesn't matter. It looks really cool. Like, I just love how it looks. Next time I'll try a white vinyl and we'll see how that looks. I bet the picture will look even more vibrant, but it looks pretty cool, and I think it's so cool. So cool. I did put the legs back on. Let me know down below if you guys try it. Do you guys like it? Did it turn out good for you? I think 385 was a good temperature because I tried the vinyl one before at 400 degrees and it kind of burned the vinyl. So I think 385 is a good temperature. So, like I said, let me know if you guys tried it out. Let me know down below any videos you want to see. I want to create videos that you guys want to see. Things I should try out that you're scared to try out on your own. Let me know. Also, check out my previous sublimation video. Check out my sublimation playlist. And make sure you subscribe and join my YouTube family.